Have you ever wondered how a bicycle lights turn on without using a battery? In this video, we will discover how a generator, especially a bicycle dynamo, produces electricity using the principle of electromagnetic induction. A concept is discovered by Michael Faraday. A bicycle dynamo converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. When the bicycle wheels rotate, it spins a smaller generator attached to it. The rotation produces electricity which powers the bicycle light. The main components of the bicycle dynamo are a magnet. It produces a magnetic field, a coil of a copper wire where electricity is induced, an iron core strengthening the magnetic field, a rotating shaft connected to the wheel, conducting wires carry electricity to the bulb. Each part plays an important role in producing electric current. Here how it works step by step. When you pedal a bicycle, the wheel turns. The turning wheel rotates the magnet inside the dynamo. As the magnet spins near the coil, the magnetic field around the coil continuously changes. Because of this changing magnetic field, electricity is induced in the coil. These electric currents then flow through the wire and light up the bulb. No battery needed as long as the wheel keeps spinning. According to Heinrich Lenz, the induced current flow in the direction of the opposite change that it produces it. This means if the magnet rotates in one direction, the current flow in the specific direction. If the rotation reverses, the current direction also reverses. This is why you feel the slight resistance while pedaling when the light is on. The system resists the motion slightly because of Lenz's law. The same principle used in the small bicycle dynamo is also used in power plants, wind turbines, hydroelectric dams, and industrial generators. Without electromagnetic induction, we would not have a large-scale electricity generation. This small device on the bicycle uses the same principle that powers entire cities. Studying generators and dynamos help students understand energy transformation in real life. It connects theory to practical application. It shows that physics is not just formulas. It powers our home industries and transportation systems. Electromagnetic induction is truly one of the most important discoveries in science. From a simple bicycle light to a massive power plants, electromagnetic induction powers our modern world.
Have you ever wondered how an induction cooker heats food without using fire? Unlike a gas stove, an induction cooker does not use flames. Instead, it uses electromagnetic induction to heat the pan directly. Today, I will explain how an induction cooker works using a principle of physics. An induction cooker is used for cooking food. It heats the pan directly using electricity and magnetic field. It is faster, safer, and more energy efficient because there is no oven flame and the surface does not get as hot as traditional stove. An induction cooker has several important parts. First is the copper coil located under the glass surface. Second is the power supply, which provides alternating current or AC. Third is the glass surface that protects the internal parts. And lastly, the ferromagnetic pan, usually made of iron or steel, is required for it to work. This component allowed electromagnetic induction to happen. First, when the induction cooker is turned on, alternating current flow through the copper coil. This creates a changing magnetic field above the cooktop surface. Second, when you place an iron or steel pan on the surface, the changing magnetic field induces electric current inside the pan. These currents are called eddy current. The eddy currents flow inside the pan and produce heat due to electrical resistance. Because of this heat, the food inside the pan starts to cook. This means the pan itself becomes the heat source. This process is called electromagnetic induction. According to Lenz's law, the induced current flow in a direction that opposes the change that caused it. In an induction cooker, the changing magnetic field induces current in the pan. In that induced current creates its own magnetic field that opposes the original one. This interaction produces heat energy. Electromagnetic induction is not only used in induction cookers. It is also used in transformers, electric motors, generators, and wireless charging devices. This technology makes appliances safer and more efficient. Studying how an induction cooker works helps us understand how electricity can be converted into heat energy. It shows that physics is present in our daily lives. By learning electromagnetic induction, we can better appreciate the science behind modern appliances.
A washing machine cleans clothes by rotating and spinning them in water and detergent. The motor makes the drum turn during washing and spin drying. When you turn on the washing machine, AC electricity flows into the motor. The current passes through the coil, creating a magnetic field. This magnetic field interacts with another magnetic field inside the motor. Because of this interaction, the rotor spins. The spinning rotor turns the drum, washing the clothes. This process uses electromagnetic induction and magnetic forces to create motion. Lenz's law states that induced current flows in a direction that opposes the change that caused in a washing machine motor. When the magnetic field changes, an induced current is produced. This induced current creates its own magnetic field that opposes the original change. This helps control and stabilize motor rotation. Electromagnetic induction is important because it is used in electric motors, washing machines, fans, air conditioners, generators in power plants, transformers, and electric vehicles. Without electromagnetic induction, many modern appliances would not work. Studying how a washing machine works helps students understand how electricity becomes motion, see real-life applications of physics, connect classroom lessons to everyday appliances. Teaching this topic makes science more interesting because the students can relate into something they use at home.